Many dog owners in the Gallatin Valley may be hearing their pets coughing in the past month due to a high number of reports of kennel cough. MTN's Medeiros Bab talked with a local vet to find out how dogs are getting the disease and what pet owners can do to prevent it.
In the past month, Sue Geske says that the Double Diamond Vets Hospital has seen 20 to 30 dogs with kennel cough. She says common signs of the respiratory disease is a cough, a runny nose, or a slight fever.
Most of them, it's a pretty minor condition, but it's annoying, so because they're coughing, but it is minor, it's not a fatal thing.
Geske believes the reason for the uptick in kennel cough reports is a result of the disease being highly contagious.
Most dogs are going with their owners to dog parks. They are doing nose-to-nose interactions, mouth-to-mouth. They're coughing on each other, or they're playing with each other, and they are transmitting, in many cases, a bacterium or even a virus that might be the cause of coughing.
Geske says if the coughing gets to the point where the dog is puking, a vet should be contacted, but typically dogs will be able to recover by lots of rest. She advises owners to try and stay away from dog parks while their dog is sick.
And so it's hard to completely isolate your own dog, but at least in the active coughing period, it's nice to not pass it on to your friends' dogs. And so that would be what I would suggest.
Geske says to prevent your dog from getting the disease, it would be a good idea to stay away from dog parks and instead go for a walk. In Bozeman, Medeiros Bab, MTN News.
Now there are kennel cough vaccines offered for dogs at the vet.